We would have got here earlier, but did it freeze?
It's raining. And my baby was speeding, okay? He was speeding. I ain't say nothing. I just was quiet. I didn't say nothing. But we on this train. I don't know what we riding to, but it's supposed to be like a wine tasting. So it feels like real back in the day, Rosa Parks. So
we chose to sit in the back of the train, okay?
in Calera. But anywho, we're gonna see what it's about. I think we're arriving at the winery. Yeah.
It's back right now.
The lights.
No, I ain't got my damn glasses.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm most definitely putting me on my back because I ain't doing this.
Not a hill.
Take your time.
It's mud.
Get toast on.
Okay. I got reverse. All right, so welcome. This welcome goes in. So we're going to kick off the event with a little taste of yellow whiskey. So we've been a winery for 20 years, and we've been a distillery for about 8 years. And so our spirits are in ABC stores. We're not really doing a spirit tasting. You can't taste 7 liquors and then walk home. So you're going to taste wine, but we're going to start this off with a little sip of yellow whiskey. Is this everybody?
I think there should be a couple more.
A couple more coming? So we'll get started. And then, so this is the original.
Oh, that is?
So this is the original winery room. We just had one room, and this was built in 2005. A taste of yellow whiskey. Come on up.
Oh, I ain't shy.
This is sipping whiskey. It's not the stuff you had in high school. It's sipping, yeah. Pass through those doors.
Table of 4.
Table of 4 in the back. We'll get started once everybody gets situated. We'll come and start the wine tasting.
Yeah, we haven't eaten nothing today.
I look like fucking Indiana Jones.
It's not focused.
By the time we get done, you'll have roughly 2.5 glasses of wine.
Oh, wow.
Yes, you're welcome. The cherry that's on top of
This is the Sauvignon Blanc.
Okay. I'm sorry, is this in your way? Okay.
All right, just keep pouring. Yeah, the ball goes up to the top. Yeah.
Remember, I'm driving.
Well, you got a train ride back.
He just put a little bit in mine.
Okay. Well, here.
I'm a light drinker.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, that's a lot.
There you go. Just like that.
Okay.
This is our peach wine. This is made from chili pine. Yeah.
That's
We obviously can't grow it on our property, but we do make everything here.
Just good. Just think.
Smell like warm
Yeah. Well, I won't be
Can it be me?
You'll have a good time. I worked at last year. It was a good time. This is a peach. So this is made from chili pine peach.
It's good wine, Jose, and it just smell like
I like it, Brad.
I'll get that in the first one. Look at how pretty it is.
These ones, I go get you.
It's the smell that I just can't.
Yeah, I can't.
Because every time I pick it up, it's like.
Stuff mode. How about we get a cup?
That's all right. I'll give it 2 minutes.
Okay. They can get a cup.
For what? I just want to try it.
Did you taste it?
What chocolate? Strawberry?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just probably the same chocolate that's on here. It ain't white chocolate. Oh, weird. Like, give me some white chocolate.
It's the same thing.
Give me some white chocolate or some brownies. I'm in the game. What you give me?
I got those brownies at home. Wait a minute. If you ate my brownies, we don't have a problem. A big, mucho, grande problem.
I'm gonna eat like 2.5.
It was only 2.
Damn. It's only 2 of them? Excuse me. Well, I guess you ain't got none.
Excuse me. Okay, there we go. See, y'all can
Sorry, we had some technical difficulties because your girl don't know how to work the camera.
Not really.
And we looked a little bright out here.
All right, we're getting ready to move on to my favorite red, which is the Coupe Rouge. But I do want to give you guys a really quick announcement for being troopers tonight. Not only you're going to get an additional 10% off, so you're going to get 20% off your bottles tonight. All right, so the Coupe Rouge is a blend of 3 different grapes. It's the Merlot, the Sangiovese, and the Cabernet Franc.
Okay. See, she knows me so well.
It doesn't take me long. There we go.
So well.
There we go. She went to Terry.
That was good. That was good.
You know I'm a red girl.
Yeah, that's a good one. You want it?
It's for our options.
There's only 2 options left.
Oh, well, yeah.
I actually kind of did like the last one.
I don't remember.
It's very smooth. None of our reds are
The
really
last
super
red
dry
was-
going
It
now.
was red?
She gonna be out by the time we get out.
It ain't that bad.
Whatever you will.
It's not trust me social bad.
I can go to the whole spiel. It's a blend of 3 different grapes.
Y'all ever heard of the Emerald Lagasse air fryer? Y'all gotta get one. Yes. My favorite.
It's
When I tell you I have made everything and anything, I have made rotisserie chicken, I have made steak, potatoes, everything. No, it does everything.
it's about this big. It's wide. I was skeptical. I'm not gonna lie. I was skeptical. She got it. And I'll tell you, we've had potatoes, we've had some of the juiciest chicken we've ever had. I've never heard of that. That's the first one for me.
So we are on to our Cabernet Sauvignon.
Okay.
So this is one of the grapes that was actually in the...
And it works. It works. Thank you. She was saying that when she sneezes, she kind of thumbs up her nose. And it kind of helps.
Oh, like pressure. Yeah, makes sense.
Like that?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Any signal.
That says barely.
Go back to the
It says it's barely.
to the bottom.
the counter's got some
Bags for y'all's glass.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate the glasses.
Yeah, and the counter's got I'm not certain.
Very curious
Okay.
about that one.
Y'all ready? Okay, this is what it is. You can scroll through. So it has so many different functions. I'm sorry, I'm not very good function drunk.
And the Founder's Cut apple. Now, it's not going to be quite the pour that you were getting on the other ones because this is 20% alcohol content.
Oh,
Okay? Once we get done with this, you're welcome to go up to the counter and place any additional orders.
Okay.
Okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. But I am going to double pour because it's just a taste. That. And I think you're going to want both of these.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you don't, you can pass it over to him.
Okay.
He still has to turn it on. There we go.
You're my favorite.
All right. So this is the Founder's Cut apple, and I will tell you the way that I
Which one?
Yeah, this is my.
I'm buying this.
How you gonna drink it?
Oh yeah. You taste that? Oh, I gotta get them all. Oh, I can drink it all day.
That's real good. I like that.
It's because it has more alcohol in it.
What's your favorite whiskey?
Whiskey, I just started getting into whiskey a little bit. So I started out a little lower. I like a little bit sweeter. I haven't explored where Alabama doesn't have a lot of options as far as.
Well, if you want a good whiskey, it's kind of a little higher, but I love it. It's my staple. It's called Woodford Reserve.
Woodford Reserve.
Woodford.
Are we finished?
I think we are finished here, my dear. And it's time for some steak and some something. I can't say what I want to say.
Can't give it water. Woo. Of course. You bought 4?
No.
Oh.
I gotta give you my number.
Okay, girl. Oh, hey, bitch. We is walking.
We is walking. That's how you
And
know
we
your ass
is
been drinking.
tipsy. And we is walking in the rain, okay? Down
Hold on
the hill.
tight.
Okay. With heels on. Oh, I hope my thing is not getting wet.
What, baby?
I was about to say my computer.
You got it under the umbrella.
Okay. They wrong for this. Okay.
Okay, move it, baby.
Oh, I can't hold up. Ooh.
Come this way.
Okay.
You wanna get on my back?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm on his back, y'all. Am I heavy?
Nope, you just gotta hold on.
Okay. It's a little hard to hold on though. Okay.
You wanna hold on to the umbrella?
No.
Cause I need you to hold on to the umbrella so I can hold on to you.
Okay.
Hold your, turn your hand upside down. There you go. Oh, my hat. There we go.
We got it. He's so strong.
Due to technical difficulties, do not record me.
Okay, but you gotta listen well. Oh, I thought you were gonna go up the steps.
Oh no, I ain't going on the steps. Say what?
That's service.
Yeah, that's service with a T.
Hold on, babe.
Come on, baby, go. I got it. You good? Go.
Oh.
Woo! Damn, last one.
All right, thank you.
You guys enjoyed it.
Woo! Girl, that's marriage right there. Well, I love you. Woo!
You got a good one there.
Hey, babe.
You know, I'm brother here, baby.
Can you close it? Oh, yeah, we made it.
Ooh, keep it up.
Okay. Huh? Oh, this look better. I feel like I'm on coach right now. Yeah. Where you want to sit?
It don't matter, baby. Just fancy.
Okay.
Oh, shiitake mushroom. I'm fucking tired.
Oh shit. I'm tired. My ponytail held up. I'm happy I didn't let my hair down because it would have been ugly. How would you rate your experience?
It was good. I enjoyed it. Oh shit, you recorded me. Hey, yeah.
Yeah.
I was a bit tipsy. Look at my hat.
I enjoyed it too. Definitely the back ride. We gotta do that more often.
What the little boy said? Abu shit? Abu shit?
But my arm's tired. I gotta start working out. But girl, why your arms tired? I need to wipe off my camera. Look at my toes.
Look at your shoes.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Luckily mine can be brushed off.
Oh.
That should be. She gonna be sleeping now, yeah.
I ain't gonna be able to make no snakes.
We eat snakes for dinner?
No snakes.
Steak.
You can tell I'm getting tired. Look at my nose ring, everything. I think we about to take off, y'all. Have you done time today?
See how she do you?
Alright guys, the train ride is over. It's over. This is the train that we rode. If you can't see. We just want to give a big thanks to our friend Marche because thank you. A big thanks to Marche because she was actually supposed to go, but she couldn't go. So she was like, hey y'all, anybody want to go? You ain't got to pay. So big ups to Marche. So she came through for the come through. And we just want to say thank you, girl. Thank you. All right, bye.